everyone. Can you all see me? Hi, Oliver. Hi, Ashmi. I can see all of you today. Praveen is here. Hi. Did you like the music in the beginning? Hi, Mathuna. Did you like the music? That's good if you like it. You must be starting your holidays now. Your summer holidays. No more online for schools. You missed ALT a lot. Hi, Pankari. Josh, yeah, it started from today, must be your first day. You don't like music? That's fine, don't worry. That's good. Also, all of you are officially in year 5 now. How do you feel going to year 5? And some of you would be in year 4 now. After having so many holidays, all of you have started. You're going to be in year 4. That's good. You're happy. That's good. Happy and excited, both the things together. I'm going to year 6. Oh, yeah, all of you would be in year 6, and some of you would be in year 5. So you're big kids now. Year 6. Josh would be in year 5 now. Ashmi would be in year 6 now. So all of you are big now. Mathuna also would be in year 6. Is it scary to be in the last primary school class now? It's good. A bit scary. I know. Next year you will be going to your new secondary schools. Now you'll be waiting for your new secondary schools. It'll be so good, won't it be? I'm scared about the exams, but you won't have the exams before November now. Maybe October and November. So you still have a while to go. Your teacher is very strict. Don't worry about that. So as you know that you have your summer holidays, we'll be having some challenges now. She got a nice teacher. That's good. We have some challenges now. We'll be doing maths today. And after doing maths, there'll be a challenge sheet uploaded. And if you get the answers right in the challenge sheet, I'll put you in the lucky draw. As many kids get the answers right will be put in the lucky draw, and then we'll choose one of you as a winner. So every week we're going to have that. We're going to have new challenges and new things. So it'll be good for you guys. So we'll be doing some maths, and after that, wait for the challenge sheet to be uploaded and try doing that. As many answers I keep getting, I'll keep putting you all in the lucky draw, and then I'll choose one from only the people who got the right answer. And remember, this time we'll be little strict. To win it, if you win the lucky draw, you have to be present in the live session there and then. It won't be that, oh, we don't attend this session, we can't go, we can't come on the day when the lucky draw is. You won't be able to participate in the lucky draw. I know I've posted the medals today. You'll get the medals tomorrow, day after. So you'll get it. Don't worry about that. So we'll be sharing the screen now for your maths, and don't go till you get till the end. You need to ask you something, Josh. You can. so we can start doing. I was looking, Holly doesn't come anymore. Holly has stopped coming, and I've seen who else has stopped coming. Ashmi is always there. Maya doesn't come. Sometimes she does, sometimes she doesn't. It's loading. Aiden is here. Vivek is here. So let's start sharing the screen. Preet doesn't come. Preet goes to school. Maybe she didn't start her holidays. She might be coming then. I'm here. Yes, you are here. Who is Ollie? I think so. Molly. I'm here. Oliver's here. The chatterbox is here today. Rui is here. You did not come last week. Is it homework? Yes, the challenge sheet is homework. Molly, yeah. Holly is in Molly. So let's share the screen and start doing the work. I hope you can see the screen now. Hi, Prince. Prince is saying hi to you guys. Let's start doing it. You can see it. Start doing, all of you. And let's go with the answers for the first one. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it properly. Let me zoom in. That's a big zoom. You can see it now. I'll give you guys a minute to do it. It's an easy one. It's basically they are asking you okay, let's do it now. It's so easy. Basically, in the first one, they are saying the table shows a part of the eastbound train service from Gospel Oak to Barking on a Sunday. So basically, they're asking you that. And in this, they are saying they have shown you a table. And after the table, what they're asking you, I'll just put it here. The first one is they're asking you, Emma and Ravi took the train to Barking. Emma got on the train at 8:55 from Gospel Oak, while Ravi got on the train at 9:23 from South. She got it from the South Tottenham. Who will arrive earlier at Barking and how much earlier? So who you think will arrive earlier? So you need to choose a name. Remember, who will it be? So all of you are getting the answer. That's good. So it's basically Emma will arrive at Barking at 15 minutes earlier from Ravi. So we know the answer for this one, as all of you got, was, I'll just put this little up so that you all can see the next one. Oh, if I do that, the answer for this one is, I'll write E for Emma. Emma, she arrives 15 minutes early than Ravi. She arrives 50 minutes early than Ravi. If you're done, then I can move on to the next one. I'm waiting for If I can move down for you to show you the another one, that's good. Josh got it right. So all of you got it the answer right. So let's move now. Just look at the question first, then I'll move up for you to see the timings of the trains again. So they're asking, Emma took a train from Gospel Oak to Barking. She got to the train at 10:10. How long was her train journey? So I'll go up again for you. Holly's here. I was telling you she didn't come last week. So let's do it now. I'll show you the timings. Then look at the timings are this. I'll repeat the question for you guys. These are the timings of the train, and what they're asking you is, they said Henna took a train from Gospel Oak to Barking. She got on the train at 10:10. How long was her train journey? So basically, you need to find how long was her train journey. Her train journey was how long? That's the thing all of you need to answer. I think 44 minutes. No. The one who are writing 34, they are getting the right answer. So I'll go the ones who are giving me 34. That's the right answer for all of you. And I'll show you why it is 34. Let's go here now. Because she started, it's 34 minutes. She started at 10 and she reached at 10:44. If you calculate it, it will be definitely will be how much? 34 minutes. Thirty-four. So let's move on to the next one now. Next one is the next page. I will put it little, I'll zoom in for you guys. Look at the graph for a minute. What's the graph basically showing you guys? The line graph shows the number of boys and girls in a school debating club from 2010 to 2015. So the graph basically shows you that. And what they're asking you now, they're asking you, in which year debating club have the most members? I'll put the graph again and I'll read the questions for you guys. So you can do it. Look at the graph. This is your graph. The first one, what they're asking you is, in which year did the debating club have the most members? So which year you think they had the most members? No, it's not 2011. Look at the graph again, all of you. The line graph shows the number of boys and girls in a school debating from 2010 to 2015. So which year you got it? Pankri got the right answer. It's 2015. That's your right one. And the next one, what they're asking you, in which year there were more boys than girls in the debating club? How, Vivek? You need to look at the graph. How is it going? If I look at the graph, it's gone down, then it went up. The same thing happened with the girls. It gone up, then more up. And if you look what year it is, it'll be 2015. That's the way how you look at the graph. So next one they are asking is, in which year were there were more boys than girls in the debating club? So which year you think there were more boys than girls? Aiden, you got it right now, is 2012. So it's 2012. Good, everyone. And the next one they're asking you, I'm reading the questions for you guys because you won't be able to see the graph. The next one, what they're asking you is, what can you say about the number of girls in the debating club from 2011 to 2015? So what do you think is happening to the girls? What can you say about the girls in the debating club from 2011 to 2015? I'll show you the question. I'll show you which one is the. Look at the third one, then I'll go back to the graph. Look at number C in this one. What can you say about the number of girls in the debating club from 2011 to 2015? They both are equal. Look at the graph now. See what does the graph say? I'll remove the one what I did so you guys can see the graph properly. Now answer it. The number of girls, what happened to the number of girls and the boys? The number of girls decreased till 2013. Look at 2013, the number of girls are decreasing and then they have increased again. So look at the bar chart of the girls and see what's happening to them. They are not the same, Josh. They are decreasing, then they are increasing. Look at the girls, they are decreasing and then they are increasing. If you look at the girls, they have decreased, then increased, then increased. So there's something going on with the bar chart of the girls. It's decreasing, then it's increasing. So we have done 2 parts of this one. So let me wrap this and write the answers for the ones who don't know what we did. For the first one was 2015. This was 2012. And the last one was the number of girls decreased and then they increased. They decreased in 2013. You need to write the year. Remember to write the year when they ask you something like this. And then they increased again. So they decreased and then they increased. So let's move on to the next one. I'll zoom in for you guys. So you need to put in arranging orders. Try to make the denominator same when you putting the fractions in this order. So try doing number 3 now. I'll give you a minute to do that one. And then get the answer. Well done, everyone. Try doing. Josh is really fast. 1 by 3, 4 by 9. Good, Josh. Others? Josh, that's right. Good. Try doing number B now. So we got the answer for number 1. 3A is, you get 1 by 6 is your first one. Then you have 1 by 3. Then you have 4 by 9. And the last one is 5 by 6. Well done, everyone. Good. Olive also got it. Shakti also got it. Aiden also got it. So try doing the next one now. Arrange these fractions in descending orders. You have a mixed fraction also. Try doing that and then try doing it. One by 6. It's blurry. Try doing the next one. It's not blurry anymore. I think so you can see it. Yogi got it. Shakti got it. So you need to do the next one now. You need to arrange these fractions into descending order. So the next one is putting them in descending order. Two 3 by 4. Shaurya got it. 2 by 1 8. 1 by 7 and 8 by 9. Good. So all of you got it right. So let me write down the answer for you guys. Well done, everyone. Again, you have to make the denominator same in this one when you're doing it. That's your first one. The second one is, and the third one is, and the fifth one is 8 by 9. Just check your answers if you got this one. Well done, all of you. Josh got it. Good. You know it, that's easy. So let's move on to the next one now. Let's do it now. I'll remove these ones to move up. It's always easy to try doing some of the fractions all the time because all of you sometimes struggles in the fractions. So you have right as improper fractions. That's an easy one. Try doing these four, A, B, and then number 5, A and B. That's an easy one. Will take you a minute to do it. It won't take so much time for you guys. Aiden got the first one. This is so easy. It'll take you guys a second to do it. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 5. And the same thing you do in the other one. Good. Good, guys. That's an easy one. So let me just write the answer for these ones. In this one, you will get is 41 by 5. In the next one, you will get is 31 by 8. Number 5, you will get 1. 1 by 6. And the last one, you will get 3. 3 by 4. Did you get it like this, all of you? Good. I'm just writing answers if you got it. Well done, guys. If you got the answer, let's move on to the next one. Now, I'm removing this. This was easy and all of you must have got it right. Let's do this one now. Fill in the equivalent equations. Let me see who gets this one right now. You have 1/4 equals to something over 36 gives you 12 over something, that gives you something over 100, and then 4 by 5 equals to something over 10 over something over 100, and 28 by something. So let's see if you guys can do this. Good. I'm just copying all the answers for you guys. Pankri's got all of them now. Well done, Pankri. So let's put the answers now. You need the same thing. It'll be 9, will be 48 here. And the last one would be 25. And this one would be 8 by 10. Then would be 80 by 100. That gives you 28 by 35. If you didn't get it, I'm just putting your answers. Try simplifying them and see if you get the answer same. It's basically you need to see 1/4. How many times can you get that? And you just have to do it. That was an easy one. Vivek got it right. Abhijit got it right. Shakti got it right. Well done, guys. Let's move on to the next page now. Try doing number C now. That's an easy one. 14 by 21 equals to how many times you can write that and simplify? You get the same answer, 14 by 21. Try doing that one now. A Gaming has already done it because it's concentrating. That's good. A Gaming Vivek got the answer for. And try add and give your answer in the simplest form. Half plus 1/8 gives you what? And 1/4 plus 5/12 gives you what? Good. Try making the denominators same. When you're adding, always remember that. So in this one is 2 is here, 10 by 15, and this is 20 by 30. When you make the denominators same, we'll get denominators same would be 8. 2 in what gives you 8? I'm just giving the example for the first one. 2 by 4 is 8. 1 by 4 is 4. Oh, sorry. I've done this one little wrong. Let me correct that one. So you just do the same thing on the top one. 8. So 2 fours are 8. 1 fours are 2 fours are 8. 1 fours are 4. Plus 8 ones are 8. And 8, you will get that, will be. So you'll simplify it, and then your answer when you simplify it would be 5 by 8. So remember, making the denominator same whenever you do it. And the next one, you'll do the same thing. You'll get 8 by 12 when you do it. And try simplifying that. When you simplify that, you will get 2 by 3. Try simplify that one little more. So let's good. Let's move on to the next one. Now, this one is done. You got one more now in this one. Then we'll move on to the next one. I'll just remove all this what's here so that all of you can concentrate properly. Try doing now. You did number B is already done. We got the answer 2 by 3. Try doing C and D. I'll do it a little up so you can see it because this one is done. So we have to do only 2 of these. Try to simplify your answer, all of you. Good. If I simplify it, all of you getting it right. As I told you, try simplifying your answer. When you get it, you get 9 by 6 in this one. I will simplify that more, would be 3 by 2. And if I want to write it in another way, that would be my answer. If for number C. So I'll do the same thing in number D. The same thing will be done. I'll get 25 by 10. Try simplifying it little more. When you simplify it, you'll get 5 by 2. And then if you have to write it the other way, in the mixed fraction, it will be 2 1 by 2. Good. All of you get it right. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see how many of you know your subtraction in fractions now. You do the same thing as you do in addition. Try making the denominator same and try doing it. It was on the board. You've done all. I'll give you a second to do it. You don't need to take long time to do it. This is an easy one. Try making the denominator same and try doing it. Subtract and give your answer in the simplest form. Oliver has got the first one. Lavanya has got the second one. 11 plus preparation has got all of them. Well done, all of you. Let's write the answers then. The first one, the answer is 1/8. For the second one, the answer is 4 by 9. The third one, you will get 18 by 10. And you can simplify that more a little bit. Not simplify, we'll put it in mixed fraction. It'll be 5. 1 by 4. Did you get the same answer, all of you? Lavanya saying, I'm back. Good. Now, I want to see how many of you can do the multiplication now. Let's move this one now. Oh, what am I doing? I need my rubber. Let's move on to the next one. And see. Try doing the third one, number D, and then the multiplication one. I want to see how many of you can multiply. Try doing number D first and then try doing multiply and give your answer in the simplest form. Multiply is same, you just crisscross in multiplication and get your answer. Good. Aiden got the answer. Let's put the answer. You guys are really quick in this. That's good. So the answer for this one would be 22 by 12, and making it a mixed one would be 6 1 5. 21 by 4, just multiply it simply. You don't have to do anything. And then it will be 4 5 by 1. Did you got the same answer, all of you? Good. There's more multiplication coming on the next page. Let's see if you can do it. I'll zoom it for you guys. So you can see the page. So you can see it now. Try multiplying it. I'll give you a second to do it. This is an easy one. 5 by 6 multiply by 8. To make your life easier, I'm just writing 1. So you guys can multiply it now in a better way. So get your answers now for number B, C, and D. Remember, in multiply, you don't have to you don't need to find the common, you just do it. You just multiply in a proper way. 20 by 3, 80 by 9, 20 by 3. All of you getting the answers. And try to simplify when you get your answers, because this is something all of you forget to simplify it. If you don't simplify, you won't get your marks. So always remember to simplify whatever answer you guys get. Let me wait for a second, then I'll write down the answers. I'm just putting your answers on the board. Pankri's got all of them. Try making it in a mixed fraction and see how you get it, all of you. So let's do it. 5, 6, 5, 8, so 40 over 6. My 0 looks so bad. I'll remove that one. 40 by, and if I make it a mixed fraction, it will be, and the same thing, that will be 80 by 9. Simplified more would be 8. 8 and 9. This one will be 84 by 8. Again, I'll put it in the way. It'll be, I've done mine. How many of you have done the same way I have done? Let me see. I'm in the last part of the question now. Let's see how many of you can do that. That will be the last one for today. I'm removing this all so I can go on to it. Let's do it. In the end, I've given you little in which all of you need to use your brain now. Try using your brains now, all of you. Ruby baked 5 apple pies to share equally with 4 people. What fraction of 1 apple pie will each people get? So you have to do this for me. That's the last one for today. I'll give you guys a minute to do it. Let's see what answer you all will get. I'll give you a second to all of you to do this one. Try doing it, all of you. Did any one of you get the answer? Get the I'm waiting for you guys to give me the answer for this one. and each one of them need to get the same type or fraction of one apple pie will each person get. So you need to find out, you need to put the signs in the middle. In this one, I'll give you a hint if you guys don't know how to do it. In this one, you basically have to put the sign multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. What it'll be? Did any one of you get it? Nobody knows how to do it. Let Let me see if you get the answer. Aiden is writing. Good. Let me write down the answer for you guys now. I'm looking on my iPad because my screen has stopped showing your answers. So let me write down the answer and see if you guys got this one. So the answer is 5 divide by 4, because they said that there are 5 apples equally distributed by 4 people. It would be 5 by 4, that was an easy one, equals to 4, and each person will get, oh, let me write this one again. Did any one of you get that answer? Let me see who got it. Shaurya got it. Oliver didn't get it. Josh did. Josh is saying, I got it. Aiden got it. I'm just looking at the ones who got the right answers. Aiden is writing, she's the best. That was an easy one. Ashmi got it. Well done, Ashmi. 11 preparation said, I got it. So all of you got it. So I'm going to show you now what your challenge is. I'll be putting that in the Facebook, and I'll put it in the description in this one. So your challenge questions are little harder than this ones, because obviously they are challenge ones. They won't be the same one what you guys are doing now. So I'll share the screen to show you guys what they are. Give me a second. I'm sharing that screen for you all. Can you see the challenge one, all of you? So these are the ones. I'll put the challenge questions for you all. If you want to see it again, I can share the screen again with you guys to show you the challenge questions for you guys. The challenge ones are little harder. Have a look at them. I'll put the screen little harder, but I'll put them for you guys to have a look. Page 2, please. Oh, yes, I'll show you the page. I'll put them in the description here in this video, and I'll be putting them in your Facebook group also after I'm done with the class. So these are your challenge ones. You all have to do it. And the winners, if you get it right, you can't see either. What can't you see? They are not right now. I'll put it after the after the live, not now. After we are done. It's not small. It's so big, guys. If you want things to be big, I think all of you should check your eyesight. Challenge questions are always hard. Remember that. Where are we supposed to send it? I'll write the email if I'm able to, because my chat is not showing me anything now. It might show me the email address. Let me just write down the email address for you all. Yes, that's the email address. You have to email here, and the ones who get the right answer, Pankuri is annoying because she's going on saying, "Can I go?" That's why. Stop sharing screen. Okay, I'll stop sharing screen now. I've stopped sharing the screen for you guys. So try emailing me. I'll put it in the Facebook after a while and the description here, so you can have a look at the challenge questions, and you have to email me them. Remember to email me. And also for your Friday one, how many of you want to participate? Lavanya, last time you said you wanted to participate, but I didn't get any email from your parents. Can you send me the email from your parents that they are ready for you to participate on Friday? Whoever wants to participate, you can email me. This is the email address with your parents saying that yes, they agree for you guys to participate for Friday. Aaron, you have already done it. And Rui, I won't get you because you're too talkative. We want someone who can talk. Let's see who comes next time who can talk. Lavanya in what? In participating for Friday. And we don't have any class tomorrow. We have a class on Friday. So you guys have time to email me for the lucky draws. And I'm still waiting for the creative writings. The lucky draw for the creative writings will be done on a Friday. And the lucky draw for your maths challenge would be done on a Wednesday. So you have 1.5 days for your math challenge to keep going. So let's see who wins in the maths one. I can't come next week. Where are you going, Ruhi? Yes, we'll do 7 o'clock, Ashmi, but I can do 6:30, not 7 o'clock. It's too late. Yes, please. 7. We'll decide the time. First, I want to know how many of you can participate. Okay, I'll leave you guys now. And I'll see you guys back on Wednesday now for your verbal. If everyone gets their own discount account, including Ashima, and then we can make a. Okay, guys, we are done for today. Have a lovely week, rest of the day, and see you guys back on Wednesday now. Bye, everyone.